What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. So in today's video, I'll show you how to clone your Windows system or partitions step by step using Clone Go by iSunshare. If you're upgrading your hard drive, switching to a newer SSD, or just want a reliable backup of your system, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. Clone Go is a professional yet easy to use cloning tool for Windows users. It lets you clone your system, partitions, or even create backups with just a few clicks. And what about pricing? Here you can get a lifetime license for only $19.95, so it really seems worth to me. Links down below. So let's quickly get started. So simply click on download. Now install the software setup. That's it. We are onto the main interface. It's quite simple to use. Here you can see my new disk 0. Disk 1 is the system disk, and you have the option to copy a partition or clone the disk here. Here you can set the target partition as the boot disk. And there is a backup option to back up your important disk data partitions, and you can also set the backup path, which will create a secure image of your Windows system, which you can restore anytime using the System Restore option. You can use this feature to restore your Windows system from a previously created backup. Now let's talk about the disk clone feature. So, with this option, you can clone entire hard drive, including the operating system, partitions, and all your data right onto your new SSD. Here you can see my new SSD is assigned as disk 0, and disk 1 contains the system on the old disk. Let me show you. So here I want to clone this entire old disk data to my newer SSD, which I upgraded. Alright. Simply select the source disk. I'll choose my system disk 1. Select the target disk you want to clone. I'll select my newer SSD disk 0. So all the data partitions on this disk 1 gets cloned to disk 0. Enable after finish if you want to shut down or restart the system after cloning. And it's optional. Now click on start. Select yes, it will completely format the data on the target disk. Now this will take some time depending on how much data you have on system. It takes more than 10 to 15 minutes to transfer. Alright, the clone gets created successfully. Now shut down system. Now load to system boot menu. Here choose the disk where you installed to boot, to the newer SSD we cloned. Alright, and there we go. The computer has successfully booted from the newly installed SSD, which has been cloned from the previous drive. The original Windows disk is now designated as disk 0, serving as the primary system disk with the C drive and EFI boot. The old hard drive can now be utilized as a standard storage device for files. Anyways, this is the best and easiest way to transfer your Windows from one hard disk or SSD to another SSD. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Check out the link in description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.